What is going on YouTube? BCD back with another quick video, and today I wanted to go over the new Chromecast. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. There you go. That mug is actually quite nice, honestly. Not to try to sugarcoat it or anything. It's basically like Apple TV for Google. But this is her. This is her. Can y'all see that? She a little thick. I ain't gonna hold you. You hear that? She a little thick. She thicker than the last one. She thick with two C's. No, I'm just playing. You respect women. This is the device. And where is the remote? Huh? I just had it. Oh. In my pocket. This is the remote. Everything else get dark. Look at me. Look at me in the background. Can you only see eyes? Dang, I need a new camera. Or maybe I'm just too dark skinned and it's too white. But look, it has the functionalities that you pretty much need for a remote. It has the voice command. It has the mute. It has the Netflix, YouTube, power on, so you can actually use this for your receivers, and you can use this for your television, so that's pretty good. And then it has the home button here, which kind of gets you back to the home screen, so pretty cool. And then this here is your directional pad, and then the middle is for selection, and then they have on the side an actual volume rocker, if you could see it. Let's see if it's zoom in. Anyways, the remote functionality seems to be solid. There is not pretty much any. It takes AAA batteries, which I don't like, but it's fine. It's really small. It's like fit in your palm of your hands, kind of small. It's not that huge, so this could be lost. It's very similar to the Fire Stick first generation remote, where now the long one is a little bit more extended. This one does have voice command, so it's much easier to talk to Google than any other device out there. So you could say things like, hey Google, take me to the office. I don't want to set off my stuff, so I'm gonna just say, take me to. Here's what I found. She still caught that. Jesus, jeez, they always listen. These mics are getting too good out here. Anyways, so this one has the voice command. You have the ability to say the command and then say, take me to The Office on Netflix. Take me to Lovecraft Country on HBO Max. You can say, take me to Dragon Ball Z on Funimation Now. It has a bunch of services that you can just jump into. It's Android TV, so really it has a lot. The only thing that is missing for me is I have Spectrum, so they don't have the Spectrum app. So it is really weird not to have that. But my Samsung television still has it. But I wish it incorporated everything I had. But really, there is so much, there's so many apps on there that is more user friendly than most. There is the continue watching screen, so when you actually are trying to watch something that you stopped on, it pulls up your continue watching. It pulls from different sources. The only one I've seen work as of now is Netflix. Hopefully I see Disney Plus in there, Hulu, Amazon Prime. I want all of those to have the continue watching there, so I don't have to remember what I was watching something on. It's basically making it easier for me to decide what to watch and how to watch stuff. So I can say command and then say find funny movies. It'll find me a bunch of funny movies across all my platforms and then give me suggestions based on what I've watched. So it's just a way of making television searching smarter. I know I sit around, wait with my wife for like a good hour and a half trying to find the perfect movie to watch together. Hopefully this makes it easier. They do have the function of watch list, so you can just bookmark things that you want to watch and have that in your designated watch list across all platforms. So that's really cool as well. honestly, it's just a time saver. That's what it is. It's a time saver, but it also has the ability to tie into everything outside the spectrum, of course. I would double check with all your providers, make sure everything is on there. They have things like Star, Showtime, HBO Max, Hulu, all the heavy hitters, YouTube. They even incorporate YouTube into your watch list. And I'm a big user of YouTube at this point, so I really enjoy seeing YouTube suggestions right on my front screen at my home screen, because that's where I really watch a lot of content, I would say, versus television. But overall, I really like this little thing. It's $50. It's got 4K TV HDR. There is a issue right now with how they implement the HDR. You have to go into the settings and turn it to match source. If you don't do that, it's going to make everything look darker than what it really is. I don't know what type of 4K HDR their implementation that they're doing, but it's ruining the content. So you want to actually go turn that off. And that's probably the only thing that I noticed that was a problem. The remote is pretty fun and easy to use. The voice commands are perfect. I really like Google Assistant on a lot of my stuff. It's so intuitive and smart. It understands what you're trying to say before you even try to say it. It's just that good. And it's just a function to search everything that you have at the top of the demand. So honestly, it's kind of like Apple TV. If Apple TV was a little bit more user friendly, in my opinion, I think Google Assistants gives this the edge just because of the Google Assistant. But that's pretty much it for me. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And at this point, I'm going to go back to watch some television because they make it easy. Make it easy so they can monetize what you watch later. I'm sorry, I just always think of what the company's back end, what they really want to get from this, but let's just take it as face value. They want to make it easier for you. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.